Title of the story: Jemima Puddle-Duck and Tom Kitten. On a sunny morning, Jemima Puddle-Duck waddled down the garden path, her feathers gleaming. She loved her morning strolls by the pond. Nearby, Tom Kitten was lounging lazily in the grass, basking in the warm sunlight. "Good morning, Tom," quacked Jemima as she passed by. "Morning, Jemima," yawned Tom, stretching his paws. "What are you up to today?" "I'm off to the pond for a swim," she replied, shaking her feathers excitedly. Tom Kitten, curious, followed her. When they reached the pond, Jemima gracefully slipped into the water, paddling around while Tom perched on a rock. "Come join me, Tom," Jemima called out, but Tom just shook his head, paws curled under him. "I'll watch from here," he purred, smiling lazily. As the sun rose higher, Jemima swam happily, and Tom, though dry and comfortable, found joy in the simple pleasure of watching his friend enjoy her day. It was a perfect, peaceful morning in the garden.